Okay, so I've just got some fossils back from prep from Marcus Cliff at Natural Wonders, who always does an excellent job. Now, I did send quite a few nodules, so some of them are no good, so I think they've been sent back as well, ones that weren't worth prepping. So yeah, we'll have a look and see what we've got. Assistant to help me. I hope he doesn't chop my fingers off. Right, so is this the prep one or a non-prep one? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that. This is definitely a prepped one. Oh yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Right, on to the next. Okay. Oh, my word. Okay, stop. Okay, actually see if you can get that out once I film. Okay, we can do another snip, yeah, snip that bit up. Watch your fingers, good job. Alright, let's have a look what we got here. So all these were found either at Saltwick or at Sands End over a couple of fossil hunts. There we go. We've got another one that's turned out, if I get it the right way around. Very nice. Nice little stand on that as well. Yeah, lovely. All right, on to the next. Thank you, assistant. Nice and slow. Okay, let's turn it around. Oh no, that's it. Yep. Okay, snip that bit. Good job. Yeah, another nice deck. Well, that's a nice one. That's got some good ribs on that. Very nice ribs. Okay, on to the next. I think actually, luckily, all the ones that are prepped are probably on the top actually, which makes it nice and easy. Means you don't have to see the ones that weren't worth prepping. Good job. Right, see if you can get that out. Oh yeah, there we go. And the other two in there, look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. Yeah, well, I'm happy with that. I'm happy that we've managed to get 5 preppable DACs from Sands End and Saltwick. So I'll get some wax on these. I use Renaissance wax, which shines them up lovely. So I'll pop some of that on and then show you what they look like at the end. But yeah, very pleased with those. So thank you, Marcus and Natural Wonders. Very nice.